false alarm. Red flashing lights, well this time I'm not going to watch myself die. I think I made it a game to play